Good afternoon, students, and once again, welcome to my channel. As usual, today also I am going to give you a very important Guru Mantra which you can use during your examinations. Children, most of the videos which I make is related either to social science or to English. Now it is up to you where you are using these important mantras and how to use these. Actually, the pre-boards are going on and we are discussing with the students. A lot of sample papers are being discussed in the classrooms nowadays. In every school, in every CBSE school, this is happening in 10th and 12th. So during the discussion, one more thing came out, that whenever the question is about this difference between, you shall attempt it in the style of difference only. Do not attempt this question in a style of features or what are the important characteristics. For example, if there is a difference between private sector and public sector, draw proper line in the center. On one side private sector, on other side public sector, and the difference points shall be same. For example, the private sector does not have job security. In public sector, we have the job security. In private sector, there is no provision of pension, government pension. In public sector, there is a provision of government pension. In this way, you have to attempt. If the question is about difference, if they are asking you, write the features of private sector, how the private sector is better than the public sector, or what are the advantages of public sector in comparison to private sector, there you can write simple statements to compare. Read the question very carefully and know the demand, that what the question demands. There was another question in our pre-boards, that taking loans from the bank always raises the standard of the people and make the people happy. Justify with an example. Now what the children are writing, sometimes the taking credit or loans from the bank brings happiness, sometimes it is advantageous, sometimes it is disadvantageous. It is another question. It is a different question where you have to prove that sometimes it has a positive impact and sometimes it has negative impact, where the person is trapped into the debt trap. But here they are simply asking you that every time it brings happiness. You have to justify that only. Same in English. If they are asking you about the summary, write the summary. If they are asking you about the central idea, write the central idea only. In central idea, you cannot write summary. Take care, have a wonderful time, and keep watching.